Hi, welcome to another XLSTAT video tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to do crosstabs using XLSTAT, and in particular three-way crosstabs. Contingency tables are a great way to visualize the relationship between two qualitative variables. Let's use a simple database of 20 customers containing 4 fields: the customer's ID, their age, hometown, and sex. In order to get a two-way or three-way crosstab with XLSTAT, choose Create a Contingency Table from the Preparing Data menu. Now, if we want to create a crosstab based on two variables such as the age and city variables, we simply select column B and C for each entry field in the dialog box. But as you can see, we have other information which can be interesting to examine, such as the variable sex. This option, here called by group analysis, is the one which allows us three-way tabulation. It will therefore produce two-way contingency tables for each category of the sex variable, female and male. We can now select all other options we need for our analysis, such as the chi-square test. We can also sort the categories alphabetically, deal with missing data, and choose various tables and charts. Click OK to generate the outputs. And we can now see the results of our analysis. The first part provides the output for the female group, followed by the results for the male group, while at the end we have a summary table across groups, which is basically our three-way contingency table. And at the end, we can also visualize this three-way crosstab using stacked bar charts. Thanks for watching.